Hi, my name is Anthony, and walking around here is my wife Carol Ann.
Hi.
And we are first-time winners from an Instagram giveaway from Janine Delaney, which is pretty awesome. We're pretty excited, and we won a HOROW Smart Toilet. And we just wanted to, we don't have our installator to come until like another couple of weeks from now, but just wanted to open it up and take a quick look here. So we have this box open, and let's see what this looks like.
They packed it really good.
Yeah, they did pack it.
Oh wow, look at that.
Really nice.
Nice.
You want to take the camera and just bring it over here for a second?
Oh wow, look at that.
Take it over. Take a look how beautiful this looks.
Wow. That's nice.
Really nice. I think it's got a heated seat. It has a bidet. It has got, this is an electronic digital readout, right?
Yep, smart toilet.
Smart toilet. So we're super excited. Never won anything before, so this is going to be great. Can't wait for this to get installed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Janine. Thank you, HOROW. This has just made our season. Thank you.